Breath and the nervous system. How we breathe can affect our health and our nervous system. Let's look at two parts of the nervous system that help us stay balanced. One part works like the gas pedal in a car and helps us rev up when we need to. And the other part works like the brakes and helps us slow down. The gas pedal is called the sympathetic system, and the brake is called the parasympathetic system. We can learn to step on the gas pedal or apply the brakes using our breath. Right now, Lily is freaking out. She thinks the teacher is going to call on her and she doesn't know the answer. She's super worried and is frozen with fear. So what's happening inside Lily's body? When we feel scared, we hold our breath or breathe fast and our heart starts pounding. Sometimes our stomach hurts too. That's because the gas pedal of our body, or the sympathetic nervous system, revs us up when we think something bad is about to happen, so we can run fast or get out of trouble quickly. Phew! She's out of harm's way. Now that Lily feels safe, the brakes of her nervous system, her parasympathetic system, automatically come online. Her breath deepens, her heart slows down, and the tightness in her stomach goes away.
I'm sorry, Mr. Garcia. I don't know the answer to that. James, how do you stay so calm? I always feel like I'm on a roller coaster and my brain stops working. Easy. I use one of my mindfulness techniques called equal breathing. You just count 4 breathing in and count 4 breathing out, like this. It helps me calm down really fast.
The sympathetic and parasympathetic systems work to keep you balanced and healthy. When you stay in stress mode, you wear your body out. Life is stressful, but most things aren't life or death. Once we realize we can help keep our nervous systems in balance with mindful strategies, we can stay healthier and make thoughtful decisions rather than react to situations. Research shows when you can balance your sympathetic and parasympathetic systems, your body is more likely to feel good and you won't have as many stomach aches and headaches. You'll probably sleep better. You're less likely to have anxiety or depression, and you're more likely to be able to concentrate and feel healthy.